Perfect. Intermediate English, lesson number 2. So we're going to review the simple present tense, how to make questions, how to say no, how to say yes, adjectives and location, and we've got some new stuff talking about culture, and then useful phrases for the restaurant. So these are phrases that we've learned already when we're talking about locations, just a little review of this. So if you see the job center here, and then you see the admissions building here, you can say that the job center is across from the admissions building. Mm-hmm. The laundromat is behind the post office. The post office is in front of the laundromat. The classrooms are between the job center and student apartments. The cafeteria is to the right of the student apartments. The student apartments are to the left of the cafeteria. Mm-hmm. The student clinic is next to the job center. Now, thinking of your neighborhood, Carmen, where is the school? Try and use these words that we're learning here, across from, behind, etc., that are in the green box. Where is the school in your neighborhood?
Okay, in my neighborhood, the school is at the, I don't know how can I say east. At the east,
The school is east of what?
East of my house.
It is to the east of my house?
Yeah.
Or it is east of my house? Good.
East to my house. Okay.
In your neighborhood, Abrar, where is the post office?
In my neighborhood, post office. I think in my neighborhood, it's how can I say, it's not have post office in my neighborhood.
There is not a post office in your neighborhood?
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. Where's the grocery store in your neighborhood, Carmen?
Okay, the grocery store is to the left of my house.
Okay, good. Where's the gym in your neighborhood, Abrar?
The gym is, how can I say? Oh my God. The gym is between swimming pool and my home.
Yeah, between the swimming pool and my home.
Yeah.
Where's the movie theater, Carmen?
The movie theater is between the grocery store and the clinic. The name is Centura Health.
All right. All right, so let's take a look at some geography. Where is Nebraska? It is northeast of Colorado.
North, not north.
It's not directly north. Wyoming is directly north.
Yeah.
Kansas is east, but Nebraska is northeast.
North.
Yeah. All right, very good. Moving on along. Let's review the simple present tense. First, with the positive form of the verb, okay? So our regular verbs work like this in the simple present tense. I like, you like, we like, they like, and in the third person singular, we add the S. He likes, she likes, it likes. For example, I like to drink tea, or my best friend likes to drink coffee. Take turns asking each other these questions. Abrar, ask Carmen, number 1.
Okay, what do you like to drink?
I like to drink coffee, especially decaf. What does your spouse like to drink?
My husband likes coffee, black coffee. Yeah. Do you like baseball?
No, I don't like baseball.
Okay.
Do your children like soccer?
No, my children does not like soccer.
Do not like soccer.
Do not like soccer.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Does your best friend like sports?
Yes, my best friend likes sports. Which one? Okay. She likes to play volleyball.
Nice. I like volleyball too. It's a fun sport.
Yeah, me too, baby. I miss that.
Yeah. You know, volleyball should be a sport that you could play right now because it's outside and you know, people are far apart.
But I didn't see it around my neighborhood now.
No, nobody's playing it.
No.
Well, if you want to play, you can invite me. I'll go. We can have a barbecue. Look, Abrar can come. The three of us, we could go play volleyball. Maybe we need.
Wow, I like it.
We need some more people. We need at least, you know, I think you could play 2-on-2. We need at least one more person to play volleyball.
Yeah.
All right. A quick review of the negative in English, okay? So to say no, you say I do not like, you do not like, we do not like, they do not like, or he does not like, she does not like, it does not like. In the third person singular, we don't change the principal verb, which is like, we change the auxiliary verb, which is do. So we change that from do to does in the third person singular. Also, remember, we also have a contraction in English. You can say I don't, you don't, we don't, or they don't, or he doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't. For example, I do not like seafood. My best friend does not like fish. Carmen, is there anything you don't like to eat?
I don't like to eat liver.
Oh yeah, good one.
The taste is for me exactly.
What about your husband, Abrar? Is there anything your husband does not like to eat?
My husband likes to eat pizza.
But is there anything he does not like to eat?
He does not. He doesn't like not broccoli. Same broccoli, but the color is white.
Yeah, cauliflower.
Yeah, this one.
He doesn't like cauliflower?
Yeah, but I like it. This one he doesn't like.
Does he like broccoli?
Yes.
Really? Interesting.
Yeah.
For me, they're like almost exactly the same. Okay, good. What about your children, Carmen? Is there anything that your children don't like to eat?
Yeah, my daughter doesn't like to eat chicken with bones.
Good.
She likes to eat. She prefers ¿cómo se llama? Pechuga? Breast.
The chicken breast, yeah.
Without bone, right?
Okay, good.
Chicken breasts.
All right. So remember, when we're asking questions, we just simply, like if we were to take the negative form of the verb and then the interrogative form of the verb, we just simply do a little reversal of the auxiliary verb do in the subject. So in our questions, we start off with the auxiliary verb, then comes the subject, and then comes the primary verb that we're using. Do I like? Do you like? Do we like? Do they like? Does he like? Does she like? Does it like? All right, so Carmen, ask Abrar, number one.
Okay, do you like seafood?
Yes, I like seafood. Yes. Does your best friend like fish?
Yes, my best friend likes fish. Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance. Do your children like sports?
Yes, my daughter likes sports. Do you like snowboarding?
Yes, I like snowboarding.
Good. All right, now we've got the verb be. B is irregular, so it works differently. With B, we have three possible conjugations. I am, you are, we are, they are, he is, she is, it is. For example, I am an English teacher, you are my students, he is a good student. Okay, Abrar ask Carmen, number one.
Okay. Are you a good dancer?
Yes, I am a good dancer. Is your mom a good cook?
Yes, she is a good cook. Is your husband nice?
Yes, my husband is nice.
Okay.
Is your best friend tall or short?
My best friend is short.
Okay.
Are your children happy?
Yes, my daughter is happy.
Okay.
Good. Fill in the blanks here. Number one, Abrar.
I am happy to be here.
My mother is a very nice woman.
The Denver Broncos football team are one of the...
Yeah. Careful. The subject here is team.
Team, okay. Is one of the best sport teams in the USA.
Good.
My favorite band is the Beatles.
We are fluent English speakers.
I am from Mexico.
My best friend is from El Salvador.
El Salvador. Good.
My favorite food is pizza.
You are the best English teacher ever.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay. The Rockies.
Oops.
Oh my God. The Rockies are the most beautiful mountains. Yeah.
Okay. Good job. All right. Give me a second here. Sorry. This isn't playing the right way. Okay. All right. You guys are doing really good with this. All right. Now, if we want to ask a question, the verb be starts the question, are you tired? And if we want to answer it with a negative statement, you have to put the word not after the verb be. No, I am not tired. We also have a contraction here between the subject and the verb be. I'm not tired. Okay? Remember, when we're using the verb be, like on the last class when we were working with the present progressive, we don't use the auxiliary verb do here.
Yeah.
We only use that with our regular verbs. Okay, so in the negative form, it looks like this. I am not, you are not, we are not, they are not, he is not, she is not, it is not. Now, we've got a couple of contractions possible here. You can contract with the verb be, the verb and the subject. I'm, your, we're, their, he's, she's, or it's. With are and is, we can also contract in the negative form are not to aren't or is not to isn't. You cannot contract the first person singular, I am not. You cannot contract am and not, okay? All right, for example, I'm not or I am not amused. You are not funny or you're not funny or you aren't funny. We've got a lot of options here. She is not my favorite singer or she isn't my favorite singer. All correct. Take turns with these, okay? Carmen ask Abrar, number one.
Okay. Are you from China?
No, I am not from China. Are you an astronaut?
No, I am not an astronaut. Are we in New York?
No, I am not in New York.
No, we are not in New York.
We are not in New York. Okay. Are your children politicians? Politicians.
No, my daughter is not politician.
Okay.
Do you work on the moon?
No, I am not work on the moon.
Okay, here,
I don't?
yeah, this is a trick question, right? That's a regular verb. So you want to say, I do not.
But you write here to be.
I know, but but work is not I threw that in there. That's a little trick question for you, Abra.
Okay.
Your teacher is tricky.
Okay.
Sometimes I throw in trick questions to see how you do with it. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So with our questions, we start off with the verb be. Am I? Are you? Are we? Are they? Is he? Is she? Is it?
Okay.
All right. Abrar Carmen, number 1.
Are you in a good mood today?
Mood. Okay. Yes, I am in a good mood today.
Okay.
Is your son at the school?
I don't. I don't have a son. I have a daughter. My daughter is not at school. Okay. Are your parents nice?
Yes, my parents are nice. Is your family close?
No, my family is not close. I have question, David. Number 4, is your family close? Meaning live with me in Colorado or what?
Yeah, it could mean that. It could also just mean like united, like close.
Okay.
Either way, but both are correct.
Okay. How is the weather today?
The weather today is really sunny.
Okay.
Very good. All right, nice job with that. All right, I want you to take turns asking each other questions, but we're going to start in order here. So number 1, origin. So how can you ask a question, Carmen, to Abrar with this?
Origin. Okay. Where are you from?
Perfect.
I am from Saudi Arabia.
Very good. Now to Abrar, to Carmen with profession.
What can I say? Where are you from? Not. What do you like for free time? No. What do you like in free time?
That's not for profession. So profession would be referring to work. For example, are you a doctor?
Okay. Can I see can I ask about yes or no question? Are you a doctor or are you a teacher?
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay. Are you a teacher?
No, I am not a teacher.
Okay.
Are you Catholic?
No, I am not Catholic. Okay. What time now? Right now?
What time is it right now?
Okay. What time is it right now?
It is 9:54 a.m.
Okay.
What is the weather? How is the weather?
Today weather is very hot.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Can you how can I say? Can you describe your mom?
Okay. My mom is a old woman. She's really nice. She's a good cook. She's nice, polite, and really independent. Yeah, really friendly.
Good.
Okay. Where location? Where you live? Where do you live? Your address. Where do you live?
I am live in Colorado.
Yeah. So here you want to say I live in. So, with location, Carmen, if we're going to use the verb be, you have to ask us a different question. Where are you right now, for example? Where are you?
Oh, yeah.
Because you asked with the regular verb, where do you live? And you're right about that too. That works fine, but then you're just not using the verb be. So.
Oh yeah. Okay,
Where are
okay.
you?
Uh-huh. Where are you right now?
Where are you? I am in Liquid.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. Location? No, not location. Action. Okay.
So the action would be the progressive. For example, like to take Carmen's last question, you could say, where are you living right now, right? What are you learning? What are you studying?
Okay, for action, are you okay, are you work at pharmacy? Not pharmacy. Yeah, pharmacy.
You put it in the progressive. Are you working at a
Are you working in pharmacy? At pharmacy?
at a pharmacy?
Yeah.
No, I am not working at the pharmacy.
Okay.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy. How can I say? Number how can I ask this one? Conditions?
Yeah, conditions similar to an emotion, but a condition might be something like, are you hungry?
Okay.
Are you hot? Are you cold?
Okay. Okay. Are you study? Are you studying?
Are you studying? That's not really a condition. That's more the action, though.
Oh. Okay.
So conditions are things like hot, cold, dry, wet.
Okay. Are you how can I say? Oh my God. Are you a good mood?
Are you in a good mood?
Are you in a good mood? It's right.
That's fine, yeah.
Okay. Carmen,
Yes.
are you in a good mood?
Yes, I am in a good mood.
Okay.
Nice.
David, give me 2 minutes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Go ahead, Carmen. Okay, Abrar, I don't know if you want to take a picture of this. These are all adjectives that we're going to work with a little bit in this level. I don't speak Arabic, so I can't really help you translate these into Arabic.
Yeah.
So if you want to write these down or take a little picture with your phone, and then later you can look them up in a English Arabic dictionary, I suppose, or online.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So, Abrar, is your best friend tall?
No, my best friend is not tall.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is living in this country difficult?
Is living in this country difficult? No, it is not difficult.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Yeah. I'm going to change number 4 because I know you're not working right now.
Okay.
Is your husband grouchy?
Grouchy. No, my husband is not grouchy.
Are bananas expensive at the grocery store?
No, bananas are not expensive.
Is learning English interesting?
Yes, the learning English is interesting.
Are you creative?
No, I am not a creative.
Is your hair red?
Hair red? No, is not hair red.
My hair is not red.
My hair is not red.
Or you could simply say, it is not red.
It is not red. Okay.
Is hiking fun?
Yeah, hiking is very fun.
Are the mountains of Colorado beautiful?
Yes, the mountains in Colorado, it's very beautiful.
All right, nice job. Abrar, describe your best friend in as much detail as possible.
Okay, my best friend, she is short and she is not tall. She is happy. She is slow. I can say her face is oval shape, and she likes to cook. That's it.
Okay, nice job. Where are you from? When people ask you this question, it could mean a few different things. You know, one thing you have to understand is that you're not from the United States. So when people see you, and especially when people hear you speak English, they're probably going to ask you this question out of curiosity. And it's a friendly thing. It's very friendly when we ask this question. We ask it to each other too. It's very common for someone to be from one place and live in a different city or state here in the United States, okay? So when we ask this question, you've got a few different ways you could answer it. In this situation, more than likely, people are going to be curious about what country you're from because they're going to hear you speak English. They're going to notice there's a little accent with it. And so they're probably going to be curious as to what country you're from. If you were to travel for like right now to get on a plane and go to Florida tomorrow, people might ask you where you're from and you could tell, oh, I'm from Colorado because that's the place that you live right now. And then, you know, you can also use it to identify with like your cultural heritage. So if your parents, like if you're living here, but your parents are from some other country, you can always identify with it that way as well, right? Let's see here. These are just some special requests that you can make when you're eating at a restaurant, right? Some phrases you can mix in to your dining experience to practice English. So if you like beer, you could tell the waiter or the server or the bartender for that matter, hey, I would like a beer. What beers do you have on tap or what beers do you have bottled? When they serve beer at a restaurant, on tap means it's coming from a barrel and they pour it into a glass versus sometimes people prefer to have a bottle of beer. It's always a good idea to ask about the daily specials. Do you have any specials today? If you are allergic to something, it is very important you tell your server that. I am allergic to nuts. What dishes should I avoid? If you're having a hard time making a decision, you could say, hey, I can't decide on which salad to order. Which is your favorite? And then the last one, I like chocolate. Which dessert would you recommend?
Okay.
Cool. So that was it for lesson number 2, and we still have plenty of time, so we're going to jump up to lesson number 3 today, okay?